Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the headlights, you can see them kind of flickering here. That's just in camera, that is not in person. Looking at the hood, you got a little chip there. Little one there, small imperfection, otherwise really nice. Headlights look amazing. Grill looks good. Checking out that headlight, nice and clean. You're gonna have a few little rock impacts on that front bumper. Got a little bit larger one right there. Another larger one here. A couple more kind of peppered throughout. Looking at the flare, that looks good. Fender looks amazing. Side mirror, that's in great condition. The lens looks good. You're gonna have a few small rock chips on that lower side, but nothing out of the ordinary. Little chip there, one right here. That door looks good. Cab is nice and clean. That bed looks good. Date code on the tires, all 4 of them 2025. So they were recently replaced. That looks really, really good though. And looking at the bed liner is really, really clean. All right, checking out the back. We do have some markings right there, a little dent and some gashes. Got a little gash right there. And then a few more on the edge here. The rest of that looks amazing. Looking at that lower side, you got the reverse parking sensors. That is in great condition. That tail light looks good. Graphic is perfect. Got a tiny little gash there. The rest of that looks awesome. The flare, nice and clean. Date code on the tires, 2025. Hercules, TerraTrack, all tons of tread there. They look amazing. Wheel looks good. Here on the cab, if you get up here, it may be hard to see. There's a crease right there. And so it dented there and there. Looks like the paint is in great condition, but you do have, it looks like something hit it right there. The rest of that looks good. Got the power steps. That door looks nice. Fender looks good. Flare's clean. All of that is in great condition. Side mirror looks good. All the chrome, the lighting. Got that pearl white paint with kind of that chocolate brown bottom. Being out here in the sun, it's really hard to tell on that little piece, but as I walk around I can see the little dent. It's very subtle though. And then right here on the driver door, I can see a little bit of texture right there, almost like a paint line and some overspray got on there. It's very subtle. You can see that. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. 54,000 miles on the odometer. The interior on this truck is wicked. Really, really like this truck. If you see any flickering here on the screens, that's just in camera. That's not in person. Suspension feels good. The alignment is good. Steering's nice and straight. Of course, the truck is shifting perfect. Really no complaints so far. No complaints whatsoever. Drives really nice. Checking out this interior, it's a non-smoker. Love the color in here, it looks absolutely gorgeous. These buttons all in great condition, got the memory seating, all the attention to detail in here. It's all textured, looks good. Light little scuffs there, a little scratch here, a couple down here. Check out the floor mats. Those look really good. That trim's nice and clean. Look at all the attention to detail in here. That bolster looks perfect, same here. It's in great condition. Looking at the steering wheel, that looks good. Got the wood grain on the top side. They do a great job on these interiors. Looking at the gauges, I'm gonna zoom in there. See all that attention to detail. It's crazy. Looking at the screen, that looks good. All the buttons are nice and clean. Shifter looks good. Upper side of the dash, it's in great condition. Massive storage in here. That works perfect. Same there. Little storage up top here with the USB port. Tons of storage in there. And then slide this around. Check that out. Really, really nice. Beautiful interior though, no complaints. Here on that back left door panel, a couple of light scuffs there. All-weather mat looks good. Seat looks amazing. You can see they recline. Looking at the buckle, that's super cool. 2 USB-C ports, USB and the 115 volt. Gorgeous back here, no complaints. Here on that door panel, that's in great condition. Same with the trim. Floor mat looks perfect. That bolster looks awesome. Tiny little scuff right there. And then one right here. The rest of that seat looks good. Console, all of that's nice and clean. Underside looks good. It's really nice. Here on the headliner, I do see a little marking up there, right there. And then one here. Other than that, looks good. Here on the back right panel, you got a couple markings there on that grab handle. Lower side looks good. That trim's nice and clean. Couple light markings here. Other than that, back here, looks good.